Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Anjali Art. So in today's art journal I'm going to make something different. I'm going to paint a sun and will write a message accordingly. So enjoy the process. Before that, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for daily notification, and if you have any requests, comment down below. Enjoy. I'm using watercolor and some acrylic colors also, and I will write a message according to the picture. Here I have completed my new page of my art journal. I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such artwork, and I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned.